process optimization. Our critical topics in industries and businesses focus on improving efficiency and sustainability within a system or process. So, both of them are focused on reducing the amount of waste, whether it is time, sources, or any other costs or goals.
Ay, next. Next.
Waste reduction involves minimizing the amount of waste produced in various processes. This can be in the form of material waste. So material waste like yung mga leftover na mga papers na hindi natin na kailangan, and then the time waste, like you're wasting your time even though you're supposed to be studying for a subject. And then energy waste, like when you turn on the lights from the kusina, you're not even there. And then wasted human resources. In a group project, like tapos isa lang magawa sa isang group project, tapos ang other members is like they don't have the leader, that leader, and other members na dun nila na waste yung mga talents nila and skills nila. Methods of techniques and of waste reduction. Lean manufacturing focuses on reducing waste by improving processes and eliminating non-value-added activities and ensuring that every step in the production process adds value. Also, lean manufacturing can also apply to student activities to reduce the waste to have more efficient and effective outcomes. Recycling and reuse. Recycling materials and recycling waste products can significantly reduce the overall waste output. In recycling, you should be able to know how to properly sort out the trash in the trash can. And reuse, we can also donate or giving away our old clothes. Process redesign. Simplifying or redesigning the process to minimize waste, such as using just-in-time production to reduce excess inventory. In original process redesign, diba in our homework, kung mag-pass tayo ng assignment, diba mostly, mag-reading pa yan, like, masayang mga papers to pass to our teachers. Pero in redesign process or process redesign, students can now be able to pass their assignments through online. The benefits of waste production: lower disposal costs, reduce raw material usage, and enhance company efficiency. This process optimization, it involves improving a process to make it more efficient and effective as possible, often by minimizing waste, reducing costs, and improving quality and productivity. Process optimization can apply to everyday situations in our life, like when we are doing several homeworks, we tend to make it to face a deadline na ipapasa natin for that day. And also, for the word optimization, the optimize means to make perfect or most effective use in a team. The key techniques of process optimization. 61. A data-driven methodology focuses on reducing defects and improving quality by eliminating master. Six Sigma it is a tool or technique to make your goal more efficient and effective. Also, when we're doing when we're doing something to gusto natin i-improve yung mga bagay na yun. Tapos, it's like there is inconsistent for that thing. So, by using Six Sigma, we can be able to know how the mistakes that can happen in the future.